Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Come on, kids, let's learn something new today. A, this is A for apple. B, this is B for banana.
C, this is C for cherry.
D, this is D for date. E, this... Wait! Don't go yet! There's a secret surprise waiting for you at the end of this video. Can you help us find the golden key? Is E for elderberry. F, this is F for fig. G, this is G for grapes. H, this is H for honeydew. I, this is I for Indian gooseberry. J, this is J for jackfruit. K, this is K for kiwi. L, this is L for lemon. M, this is M for mango. N, this is M for nectarine. O, this is O for orange. P, this is P for peach. Q, this is letter Q for quince. R, this is R for raspberry. S, this is letter S for strawberry. T, this is letter T for tomato. U, this is letter U for oogly fruit. V, this is letter V for vanilla. W, this is letter W for watermelon. X, this is letter X for shigwa. Y, this is letter Y for yellow banana. Z, this is letter Z for Ziziphus.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.